The ignition coil works in the same principle as a transformer. The ignition coil contains both primary and secondary coil circuits. The primary coil contains 100 to 150 turns of thick copper wire. This wire must be insulated so that the voltage does not jump from one loop to another that might cause a short circuit. The wire in the primary circuit goes into the ignition coil through the positive terminal, links to the primary coil, and exits through the negative terminal. The secondary coil contains 15,000 to 30,000 turns of thin copper wire, which also must be insulated from each other. The secondary coil is placed inside the primary coil. A soft iron core is placed in the middle of the coils. The soft iron concentrates the magnetic flux and thus enhances the magnetic field. The ignition coil is the heart of the ignition system. As current flows through the primary coil, a strong magnetic field is built up. When the switch is off, there is no current flow. The magnetic field then begins to disappear, or, as we say, the magnetic field collapses. The collapse of this magnetic field into the secondary coils induces a high EMF, which is released through the large center terminal. This EMF is then directed to the spark plugs through the distributor.